Okay, so welcome on YourPedia education platform, and because of this HPCL exam, group task is the term which students are asking a lot nowadays, and they are comparing it with group discussion. Normally, in the public sector or any particular recruitment process, group discussion is the basically given instead of group task. But in HPCL and last year in IOCL, I think then NTPC and SAIL also, group task was there in the recruitment process. So let me very briefly tell you what is expected from you in group task and how group discussion is different from group task. In group discussion, you discuss a topic. Through which what is checked is your communication skill. He will check your communication, and also he will try to check your leadership skills. So how communication skills? Obviously you will talk, you will talk about a topic and you will listen to others and you will give your own point, you will make others agree to your point. And leadership, because if everybody starts listening to you, you are accepted as a leader. So these couple of traits are analyzed using group discussion. There are many jobs in which you have to talk to client, you have to talk to customer, you have to talk to vendor, suppliers, and for that you need to have some kind of communication with you. And if you are persuasive, your persuasive skills, I hope you know what is persuasive skill. If you are having persuasive skill, you can persuade somebody for what you are saying. You can put your point. Then that is the thing which is required in that particular job. So this is the purpose of group discussion. Group discussion is about a topic, and that topic can be the topic taken from currently relevant topics, in which whatever is happening around you, that can be one of the criteria, or that topic can be generic topic. It can be very general topic, evergreen topic. So these kind of topics from where he will pick up a topic and give it to you, and you have to display your communication, you have to display your leadership skills, you have to display how you talk, how you persuade others. These are checked in that. Now what is the group task? You see, group task is, as the name shows, task done by a group. Task done by a group. So you are given a task. I will call that task as a, call that task as a situation. So he will give you a situation, he will give you a case study, he will give you a problem, and you have to collectively find the solution to that. In this you can differ from other members. And consensus may or may not be attained in this. You may say no, your point is not good, what I am saying is correct. But in this case you are a team. It is like a BTech project you are doing, or you are doing a project collectively, 5 people, and professor is the observer, and you cannot say, sir, he has not done this, or I don't agree with you. You have to, as a team, present yourself. So you have to listen to others, and you have to correct them, or you have to correct yourself, and then present a final solution. So a final solution is required. Consensus may or may not come here. Final solution may or may not come here. But in this case, you have to find the solution. In this case, you typically see, I don't agree with you. In this case, you say, see, Rajiv, what point you have given, I don't think this can be the valid solution. Let's think this way. We will do this. Let's think this way. All of us should. So you are a team, and you have to basically speak in such a way that it should be reflected. It should get reflected. You are talking like a team. You have to find a solution. And observer is observing you and your personality traits. He checked here communication, leadership, persuasive skills, and in this case he is checking your adaptability in the group. Did he check adaptability here? No. So he is checking your adaptability in this particular group task. How do you adapt with others? How do you find the solution to the problem? How much innovative you are? How much creative you are? Can you gel up with others? Can you get along with others? Sir, working in a team is my personality trait. So he is checking in this, working in a team, that he has not checked here. You are not agreeing with anybody here. So Maybe you are not a person to work in a team. You are a leader. You are persuading everybody. See, all of you are telling lie. All of you are telling wrong. See my point, and I convince you. My convincing power is good. My persuasive skills are good, but I may not be team member. In this case, he is checking you are a team member. So when GT is given what he is going to check, and when GD is given what he is going to check, you should know that, and then only you can participate yourself very good in that. Are you helping others? Do you have that trait? Are you working in a team? We must find the solution, and final solution you have to give. What is your personality? सर ये लड़का बाकियों के साथ काम कर लेगा. सर ये तो लीडर स्किल्स हैं, इसमें कम्युनिकेशन स्किल है, मार्केटिंग में इसको हम डाल सकते हैं. ही कैन सेल द प्रोडक्ट, ही हैज़ परसुएसिव स्किल्स, कस्टमर से बात कर लेगा. सर ये आपस में इंटरनली टीम बना लेगा, ये अच्छा है, टास्क कर सकता है, इसको कॉमन इस ग्रुप में डाला जा सकता है, अडेप्टेबल है ये लड़का. दिस इज व्हाट इज चेक्ड. नाउ ऑन योर पीडीएफ वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू लॉट मैनी केस स्टडीज, starting from a social life to professional life to personal life. All the topics will be given to you, and you have to give innovative solution to these problems, situations, and that is how we have to work as a team. That is very, very important. So I hope this group task versus group discussion, this difference is clear to you. Let's prepare, and let me tell you one more thing. This may be knowledge part, but this is entirely practice part. Knowledge is not, practice is very important here. So you need to do minimum 5 GT you have to do with me to get some feel of how you can participate in this. Hope you got the idea. GD versus GT. Let's proceed forward. Thank you.